ESVA level screws simplify the installation of window frames and replace traditional solutions such as wedges and blocks. The screw serves as an adjustable support and features a unique and patented head that prevents the frame from wandering when adjusted. The fiber cut tip ensures installation without splitting and eliminates the need to pre-drill in wood. However, pre-drilling with a 6 mm drill bit is necessary when installing in concrete. In brick, a 5 mm drill bit should be used. In lightweight concrete, a nylon plug is used. ESVA level screws are installed using a TX30 bit, the same bit as used on all screws in our Indo-Prague frame sleeve system. Install the screws under the frame's mullions. Roughly adjust the screws so they are level. If there is a center post, a screw should also be installed here. Position the frame and fine adjust using the appropriate adjuster tool so that the frame sits perfectly level. Now install the frame using frame screws or frame sleeves. Finally, insulate the frame. Use a soft foam or caulk with mineral wool.